Today is January 3rd, 2026. This year does not have to be like last year. You can decide right now to take control of your money. Most people live paycheck to paycheck, wondering where it all went. Debt feels like a mountain you can never climb. But there is hope. You do not have to live that way. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a get-rich-on-purpose plan. Trade bad habits for good ones. Tell your money where to go. I am going to give you 4 simple steps millions have used. What you need is gazelle intensity. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Every marathon starts with a step. Life throws curveballs. The right plan weathers storms. These 4 steps will give you that plan. At first, it feels strange, then peace starts to show up. Change your family tree with common sense principles. Are you ready to make 2026 your richest year in money, peace, security, and hope? Let's get started. The first thing you need is a $1,000 starter emergency fund. Think of it as a buffer between you and life. Emergencies will happen. With cash, they are inconveniences, not crises. Use it only for unexpected, urgent, and necessary events. Vacations and sales are not emergencies. Be disciplined. Get intense. For a few weeks, find money anywhere you can. Sell stuff in your garage, attic, closets. That dust collecting bike? Sell it. Take on extra work. You are in a crisis. Act like it. Open a separate savings account. Do not link it for overdraft. Knock this out in a month or 2, then move to the next step. This is the foundation for your financial house. Small disasters no longer derail you. Tell Murphy to get out of your house. Do not move on until this is done. With breathing room secured, you are ready for your budget. This one decision changes everything. Remember, emergencies only and replace what you use. Now, let's plan every dollar. Time for a zero-based budget, a plan for your money. Every dollar gets a job before the month begins. Cover the 4 walls first, your absolute priorities. Then list everything else, on purpose. Keep assigning until nothing is left unplanned. Clarity reveals leaks, like a $7 latte habit. Forgotten subscriptions add up too. Sometimes truth stings, but now you can fix it. Do a new budget before every month. It is flexible, never a straitjacket. If you are married, agree together. This is a team sport. It takes a few months to get the hang of it. Then a rhythm kicks in, and control follows. You will feel control like never before. A budget gives you permission to spend on what matters. Emergency buffer set, plan in place, time to attack debt. List your debts smallest to largest. Momentum beats math when it comes to behavior. We will use the debt snowball, the fastest way to build momentum. Ignore rates for now. Sort by smallest balance first. Keep paying minimums on everything. Throw every extra dollar at the smallest debt. Celebrate your first win. Roll that whole payment to the next debt. Bigger payment. Faster progress. Your payment snowball gets larger as it rolls. Your quick wins fuel intensity. You squeeze harder. You will learn to hate debt. Live like no one else now, so later you can live and give like no one else. This method works because it gives you hope. You will see progress month after month. When consumer debt is gone, it is time to build the future. You are proving to yourself that you can do hard things. Next, fully fund your emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. This protects you from job loss and medical storms without touching investments. Invest 15% of your gross income for retirement. Start with your workplace plan if there is a match. No workplace plan? Open a Roth IRA. Diversify across 4 types of mutual funds. Baby step 5. Save for kids' college if you have them. Baby step 6. Pay off your home early. Baby step 7. Build wealth and give outrageously. This is the goal. Financial peace. Months 1 to 2. Save $1,000 fast. Stop extra debt payments and investing. Cut dining out. Sell everything not nailed down. Stack income with side gigs. By end of February, buffer in place. Track every dollar for a month. In month 2, free up $300 to $500. That cash becomes your snowball. Pay a $200 card at $450 a month. Gone in under 3 months. Roll payments forward. Momentum builds. By year end, several thousand paid off. You have a written plan, in peace instead of panic. You are on your way. The road is not straight. Do not quit over setbacks. If an emergency drains your $1,000, pause and rebuild it. Then restart the snowball, never both at once. Meet regularly, share wins and struggles, dream together. Say no for now. Live differently to get different results. Track progress visually, keep motivation high. You have the plan. Now it is time for action. Information without application is just entertainment. Your journey begins with one small decision today. Number 1. Open a separate savings account for emergencies. Do it now. It takes 5 minutes. Number 2. List something you own tonight. Number 3. Write every debt from smallest to largest. Number 4. Schedule your first budget session this weekend. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. Choose to be different. Choose to be intentional. Choose to win. Make 2026 the year you stopped drifting and started driving. Build a life of true financial peace. Start today. Start right now. You have got this.